I'm finding lately that people don't read very much, and especially people who their first language is not English. Although it's quite easy, you just you can cut and paste, or there's a button on the app on your phone, the Airbnb app, where you can translate the English into whatever language. But I don't know. I'm not sure if it's cell phone use or smartphone use or what. But people don't like to read anymore, and it seems to be happening. I don't know. The past 6 months, it seems to have gotten worse. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's after COVID, or I don't know. But I'm finding that you have to be very patient, and sometimes I play with it. I try to joke and say, "Did you read the description?" I got a question recently: "Are we near the sea?" And I did an LOL and said, "You haven't read the description yet. LOL. Please read the description, and then you can ask me questions about the area, things that aren't already written there." So I try to play with it. I try not to get angry about it, but it is annoying. I mean, I'm busy. I've got other things to do. Airbnb is a side hustle. It's not my full-time job. So yeah, those kind of things are annoying. People not separating the trash, although guests have gotten better at that compared to 8 years ago. They've gotten better at following the rules. I had a guy kind of harassing me. I won't say what country he was from, but basically lots of silly questions all the time. And after a while, I thought, this guy's just either he's got a mental issue or he's harassing me. So to Airbnb's credit, I canceled on him with no penalty, and I claimed he was harassing me, which I felt he was, and Airbnb backed me up, and yeah, I got a free cancellation out of the deal. So don't be afraid to stand up for yourself and tell Airbnb what's happening if you need to.